I am configuring the Things Network v3. First, we need to register the device by creating an application. Enter an application ID in lowercase letters and numbers only. You may also use the hyphen symbol. Here, I am creating an application ID as WM1110 TTN ThingSpeak. Click Create Application to save your changes. The application is successfully created. Now, we need to register the WM1110. And device details need to be filled in manually to avoid errors. I am located in India and am selecting the Low Rawan region as IN 865. I am also selecting the Low Rawan version as 1.0.3. The app UE key is user-defined and requires manual entry during registration. The remaining keys, dev UE and app key, can be generated using automated tools. The dev UE and app key need to be copied into the lorawonky.h file. After filling in all the details, click Register End Device. To avoid nonces errors, we need to enable Reset Join Nonces under the Join Settings menu. Live data confirms the successful registration of the end device. To upload the firmware, we need to connect the J-Link with SES. To do this, go to the Target menu and click Connect J-Link. The configured files need to be compiled before uploading to verify there are no errors in the code. Once successfully compiled, we need to click Build and Debug. We can check the progress on the output terminal of SES. After the upload process completes, let's go back to the Things Network and check the status of the WM1110 connection on live data. The WM1110 has successfully connected with the Things Network, and we can see the data sent by the WM1110 on the forward uplink data message. However, since I have not attached any data yet on the firmware side, no data is found in the payload. We need to create a ThingSpeak webhook for data visualization. To do that, we only need to create a webhook ID. The ID must be in lowercase and only the hyphen is allowed. I am creating an ID as WM1110 TTN ThingSpeak interface. Now, we need to create the ThingSpeak channel for data visualization. Enter a desired channel name. Here, I am sending only temperature and humidity data, hence only two fields are needed. We will name them temperature and humidity. And then click Save Channel. We need to copy and add the channel ID details and write API keys from the API key menu. Now, let's go back to the TTN console and add the previously copied channel ID and API keys. Then, click Create ThingSpeak webhook. To decode the payload message, we need to add the payload format. We can copy the JavaScript code from the ThingSpeak documentation provided on their website. I am re-uploading the code, which includes the temperature and humidity sensor data. To look at the status of data transmission from the WM1110, I am using the Arduino serial window. The baud rate must be set to 1 million. Now, on the TTN console, the webhook status will be updated as healthy. This means that ThingSpeak has received the data entry in the respective fields. Here, I am checking the uplink message to verify the data inside the payload and the data output of the payload format. In the decoded payload, the respective data is updated in Field 1 and Field 2. Save the channel details of ThingSpeak. And click on Private View to visualize the data. Based on the received data interval, the channel fields are updated. The updated details can be verified on the TTN console and serial window. The updated details can be verified on the TTN console and serial window.